Hello everyone. For the upcoming examination scheduled by Uttarakhand Public Service Commission, we will be going through a few previous year question papers that have been conducted by Commission in the recent past for similar types of examination. So today we will begin by going through the lower subordinate examination preliminary examination question paper that was conducted in the year 2016, and we will go through and look into the general studies section of the paper. And you should however note a point that the options and the question provided are according to the data and statistics of that period, so there may be a little variation in some options as of the current situations. We will be just focusing on what kind of questions were asked then and what were the correct options. So let us begin. The first question is, which district of Uttarakhand has the maximum forest area? So the answer to it is option B, that is Pauri Garhwal district of Uttarakhand has the maximum forest area. Now the second question is, match the lakes given in list 1 with the location in list 2 and find the right answer. So the first name of the lake is Sattal, and Sattal is in Nainital. Tron Sagar Tal is in Kashipur. Dodi Tal is in Uttarkashi, and at the end Birahi Tal is in Chamoli. So this is the sequence is 3214, that is 3124, that is option number B. Moving on, third question, which tributary of Alaknanda river has its confluence at Rudraprayag? So we have to tell the answer about the tributary of Alaknanda river. So the answer is D, that is Mandakini river has its confluence to Alaknanda river at Rudraprayag. Okay, the fourth question is, which Himalayan zone receives highest rain during monsoon period? So the outer Himalayas, that is option number B is the right answer, because outer Himalayas receives highest rainfall during the southwest monsoon or during the monsoon period. Question 5 is, which soil is most suitable for the cultivation of tea crop? So answer is D, that is light clay alluvial soil is most suitable for the cultivation of tea crop. Now question number 6, as per the census 2011, in Uttarakhand, district Nainital stands at which position? So according to the census 2011, Nainital district stands at 4th place in the state of Uttarakhand. Question number 7, which one of the following tribe traded with Tibet before 1962 China War? So the answer is C, that is the tribe Bhotia used to trade with Tibet before the 1962 Chinese War. Question 8, at which place people of Uttarakhand vowed not to follow the Kuli Begar in the month of January 1921? So the answer is Bageshwar, that is option A. Next question, Koteshwara Dam is being constructed on the river. So the name of the river is option C, that is Koteshwara Dam is being constructed on Bhagirathi river. So option C stands correct. Now question 10, the first dairy federation of Uttarakhand was established at which place? So the first dairy federation of Uttarakhand was established at Haldwani, that is in Nainital district. Now question 11, in which year the Uttar Pradesh Jamindari Abolition and Land Reform Act was passed? So Uttar Pradesh Jamindari Abolition and Land Reform Act was passed in the year 1950 AD. Next question, in which year the Garhwal division was established? So the Garhwal division was established in the year 1969, that is option B. Now, how many seats are reserved for scheduled tribes in Uttarakhand's assembly? So how many seats are reserved for scheduled tribe? The answer is B, that is 2 seats are reserved for scheduled tribes in Uttarakhand's assembly. Now Operation Smile of Uttarakhand Police is related to who? So the Operation Smile of Uttarakhand Police is related to children. Next question, Mudra Rakshasa, who died in June 2016, is famous as, so he was famous as a Hindi novelist. Okay, question number 16, under which article the precedent rule was imposed in Uttarakhand in the year 2016? So, the precedent rule was imposed in the state of Uttarakhand according to the Article 356. Name the harmful chemical used in bread preparation. So, the answer is B, that is potassium bromate is the harmful chemical that is used in bread preparation. Question 18. Which group is known as the first ethnic group of Uttarakhand? So, who are the first ethnic group of Uttarakhand? The answer is A. That is, Kol were known as the first ethnic group of Uttarakhand. Now, where was the first capital of Pawar rulers? So, the first capital of Pawar rulers was, of course, Chandpur Gari. That is option D. So, Chandpur Gari was the first capital of Pawar rulers. Now, who was the editor of Garhwali Samachar Patra? So, answer is A. That is Mr. Viswambar Dutt Chandola was the editor of Garhwali Samachar Patra. Moving on, which freedom fighter is called the hero of Peshawar episode? So, we know that Chandra Singh Garhwali is known as the hero of Peshawar episode. Now, question 22. In which among the following years Tehri Kingdom merged with independent India? So, Tehri merged with India, that is independent India, in the year 1949. That is 2 years after India's independence. Now, question. Who among the following have been awarded Khel Ratna in August 2016 by the Government of India? So, they are asking about the Khel Ratna Award for the year 2016. So, the answer is C. That is Jeetu Rai, Sakshi Malik, PV Sindhu and Deepa Karmakar. They were awarded back then. Now, which among the following has been included in the list of World Heritage by UNESCO in July 2016? So, we know that World Heritage sites are often asked repeatedly. So, here it was asked in July 2016 and the answer to it was D. That is, archaeological site of Nalanda Vishwavidyalaya was added in the World Heritage site. Now, as per 2011 census, what is the rank of Uttarakhand on the basis of population? That is, it is asking All India ranking of Uttarakhand according to census 2011, that is basis of population of Uttarakhand. It stands at rank number 20. So, the answer is B. Now, question 26. There are two statements given and we have to select the correct answer. The first statement says, the sex ratio in the hill districts of Uttarakhand is higher than those in plains. Yes, this is correct. Now, the males from the hill district migrate in search of employment. That is also correct. So, both option A and B are true. That makes option A correct. Now, question number 27. What was the basis of States Reorganization Act of 1956? So, the answer is C, language. That is, in the year 1956, states of India were reorganized on the basis of language. Now, who was the first king of the Tehri state? Among all these four, Sudarshan Shah was the first king of Tehri state. The answer is B. Question 29. Kumar University, Nainital was established in which year? So, Kumar University was established in the year 1973. So, the answer to question number 29 is C, 1973 AD. Now, question number 30. Where the IIM in Uttarakhand is situated at? So, answer is D. That is, IIM is situated in Kashipur in Uttarakhand. Question 31. The State Public Service Commission presents its annual report to which authority? So, the State Public Service Commission presents its annual report to the Governor of State. So, answer is C. Now, question 32. The term of a State Chief Information Commissioner is? So, it's asking the term of Chief Information Commissioner of any state. The answer is either 5 years or up to 65 years of age. That is option A. Question. Which article of the Indian Constitution make provisions for the tenure of Panchayat? So, the answer is Article 243. Article 243 of the Indian Constitution makes provision for the tenure of Panchayat. Now, which Chief Minister of Uttarakhand reserved 50% seats in Panchayat for women? So, the answer to it is Mr. B.C. Khanduri. He was the Chief Minister when seats were reserved, 50% seats were reserved for in Panchayats for women. Question 35. Which of the following states had the highest per capita income during 2014-15? So, the answer is D. Uttarakhand had the highest per capita income during 14-15. Now, the maximum number of ministers, including the Chief Minister, that can be appointed in the Uttarakhand Council of Ministers is. So the answer to it is option number B, that is 12 is the maximum number of ministers, including the chief ministers, that can be appointed in the Uttarakhand Council of Ministers. That is 11 plus 1, wherein 1 is the chief minister. Now, which of the following countries shares the longest international boundary with India? So we know that Bangladesh shares the longest international boundary with India. So option number C, Bangladesh, is the correct one. Now, No Creek Biosphere Reserve is located in? No Creek is located in Tamil Nadu. So the answer, No Creek is located in Meghalaya. The answer is option D, Meghalaya. Now, moving on. Next question is, Shola Forest is associated to? So it is associated to South Peninsular Hills. So the answer to Shola Forest is A, South Peninsular Hills. Now question number 40. Which state in India is the largest producer of copper? So at that time answer is C, Madhya Pradesh is the largest producer of copper in India. Dolvi Steel Plant is located in which state? Dolvi Steel Plant is located in Maharashtra. So the option is B. Now, jhum cultivation is also called as, we know that shifting cultivation is also called as jhum cultivation. So the answer is D, shifting cultivation is equals to jhum cultivation. On which river Hirakund Dam is built? So answer is B, that is Hirakund is built on the river Mahanadi. Question 44. Which of the following Indian states lies partially in Himalayas and partially in plains? So the answer is our Uttarakhand, because Tarai and Bhabar region are all plain regions, whereas the rest of the topography is hilly. So the answer is D, Uttarakhand. Question number 45. In India, common property resources are covered under whose ownership? The answer is C, that is state has the ownership of common property resources in India. Question number 46. FL2 policy is related to what? So it is related to the liquor policy of Uttarakhand. Moving on to our next question, we will be discussing question 47. This is, in which year Razia Sultan became the ruler? So Razia Sultan became the ruler in 1236 AD. Now, who introduced the Mansabdari system? Mansabdari system was introduced by Akbar. Which of the following treaty ended the first Anglo-Maratha war? So Treaty of Salabai was the one which ended the first Anglo-Maratha war, that is option C. Now, which Governor General abolished Thugee in India? So Thugee was abolished by Lord William Bentinck. So the answer is C, that is Lord William Bentinck abolished Thugee in India. Now, in which year the government postal services was introduced in India? So the government postal services were introduced in the year 1854, that is option B. 1854 AD was the time when government postal services were introduced in India. Now, from which book our national song Vande Mataram has been taken? So our national song, that is Vande Mataram, has been taken from the book Anand Math. Now, question number 53. Who among the following had propounded the theory of drain of wealth? None other than Dadabhai Naroji. So Dadabhai Naroji propounded the theory of drain of wealth. What does Three Ratna indicate in Buddhism? So Three Ratna indicate Buddha, Dhamma, Sangha. So the answer is C. Now next question. What was the original name of Begum Mumtaz Mahal? So the original name of Begum Mumtaz Mahal was Arzumand Bano. That is option D. Now next question. Who was the first speaker of Lok Sabha? So the first speaker of Lok Sabha was Mr. G.V. Mavalankar. So G.V. Mavalankar was the first speaker of Lok Sabha. Now, which article of the Constitution of India is directly applicable on Jammu and Kashmir? So now the abolished one, Article 370. So the option is B, Article 370. Question number 58. Which amendment has been called a revision of the Constitution of India? So 42nd Amendment Act is known as the revision of Constitution of India. Option C. According to Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, which article is the soul of Indian Constitution? So answer is C. Article 32 according to Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar was the soul of Indian Constitution. Next question. Windows is an example of which of the following? So Windows is an operating system, that is option A. Which of the following is an application software? Answer is MS Office, because we use it for a particular application, that is word processing and all. So that is MS Office. Now ROM, read-only memory, is a type of course non-volatile memory, that is option B. Which of the following is an input device? Scanner is an input device. So the answer is D. What is the height of the Qutub Minar? So the answer is D. 72.5 is the height. So next question. Internet Explorer is a what is? So it's a web browser. So the answer is C. Web browser. Next question. Question number 66. When was Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana launched in India? So the date is 8 April 2015. That is option A. What is the total budgeted amount of Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana? So the total budgeted amount of Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana was 8,000 crore. That is option D. What is the estimated fiscal deficit of India in the budget of 2016-17? So the estimated fiscal deficit of India in the budget of 2016-17 was 3.5%. That is option number C. Now question 69. Which caste of Uttarakhand were included in the central list of OBC in August 2015? So the answer is B. That is Kahar and Tanwar Singharia. Okay, so option B, Kahar and Tanwar Singharia. Now, question 70. During which of the following years India recorded lowest food grain production? In which of these years? So, India recorded lowest food grain production among all these years. That is 9, 10, 12, 13, 13, 14, 15 was answer 2014, 15. What is the premium amount for Prime Minister Suraksha Bima Yojana PMSBY? So the premium amount is rupees 100 per month. Option A. The Indian state through which Tropic of Cancer does not pass. The question is does not pass. So the answer is B. That is Odisha, where the Tropic of Cancer does not pass. Now, what was the value of Human Development Index for India in the year 2014? So this is repeatedly asked question. At that time it was 0.609. Now, which of the following is a page printer that produces high quality output by forming characters and images with tiny ink particles? So the answer is B. That is laser printer. Now question number 75. Which of the following is an antivirus software? So an antivirus software among these is Norton. Norton is an antivirus software. Under which act Supreme Court was established in India by the British rule? So the Supreme Court was established in India by the British rule. That is option A, Regulating Act. Okay. Now, who is the author of novel book Tumhare Liye? So, the author of this novel book is Himanshu Joshi. So, option is D. Now, 23rd Rajiv Gandhi Sadbhavna Award in 2016 has been given to. So, at that time, Rajiv Gandhi Sadbhavna Award was awarded to Shubha Mudgal. So awards are frequently asked. Do keep a tab into that. Now next question. So the next question is which district of Uttarakhand state has its boundary with 7 districts of the state? So Pauri is the district which shares boundary maximum number of districts boundary, that is 7. The answer is Pauri. So option is C. Next question. Who is the founder of Narmada Bachao Andolan? So we know that Arundhati Roy is the founder of Narmada Bachao Andolan. Question number 81. Which river makes a boundary between India and Nepal? It's an important boundary line, that is geographical boundary line, that is by river Kali. So option is C. Answer is 8481. Kali is an important boundary maker river between India and Nepal. Now question 82. What is Google? Of course, Google is a search engine. So option is A. The next question. Which vitamin is essential for blood coagulation? We know that vitamin K is important. So vitamins are often asked. To keep a tab into that as well. Now, plants that grow in saline water are known as what? So the plants that grow in saline water are known as halophytes. Now, Biotechnology Institute is situated at which place? So Biotechnology Institute is located in Pantnagar. Now, which among the following is a muscle protein? So what is a muscle protein? Myosin is a muscle protein. Which of the following waves cannot be polarized? So the answer to it is sound waves cannot be polarized. Moving on, question 88. RH factor derives its name from what? So answer is B, rhesus monkey, from where RH factor derives its name. Now question 89. A satellite is used for communication, yes. Agriculture and forestry, yes. Weather forecasting, yes. So the option will be D, that is all of the above. So a satellite is used for communication, agriculture and forestry, weather forecasting, all of these purposes. Now marsh gas is what? So the answer is marsh gas or methane gas. Methane gas or marsh gas, both are the same. Now sequencing of human genome, that is very important question because repeatedly genetic related questions are asked. So human genome sequencing was successfully done in which year? So it was done in the year 2001 AD, that is option B. Now moving on, DNA does not contain which among the following? So we know that DNA does not contain the option is C, that is uracil. So DNA does not contain uracil. It contains guanine and adenine but not uracil. So option is C. Next question, in 2016, which became the first European country to win Thomas Cup? So these sports related questions are often asked, which were recently in news. So the answer is C. Denmark at that time was the first European country to win Thomas Cup. Now, which has become the first country in the world to ban deforestation? So among all these, option is Norway is the first country which has banned deforestation. Now, China is looked in dispute with Philippines and Vietnam over control of which territory in South China Sea? So the answer is C. Spratly Island chain is the reason because of which China is looked in dispute with Philippines and Vietnam. So they all want the control of the territory of Spratly Island chain. Now question 96. Which state has become the first digital state of the country? So among these, option is Kerala. Kerala is always leading in all good indices and indicators. So here as well, Kerala has become the first digital state of the country. Now, who is the author of the book? Editor Unplugged, Media Magnates, Netas and Me. So the answer is A, Vinod Mehta. Which film was chosen as the best film at 63rd National Film Awards Festival? These are often asked in Uttarakhand. So the answer to it at that time was Bahubali was chosen as the best film at 63rd National Film Awards Festival. Next question. Bharati Gyanpith Award 2015 has been awarded to, again a question from awards. The answer is Raghuveer Chaudhary in the year 2015 was awarded Bharati Gyanpith Awards. So basically the awards which are sponsored by government, most of the renowned ones are asked. Now, insulin hormone is secreted by which of the following organs? So, insulin related to diabetes is secreted. It is secreted by, of course, the option is pancreas. So,